Long time back, I made one video where I talked about how to find the size of a directory. So basically, using a command. Let me share my screen. So using a command called disk usage. If you do man, basically using this command, using du command, you can find out quite easily, very quickly, the space utilized by the space usage of a specific directory. So for example, if you want to see your own home directory, so there are different commands. Let us say if you type in df dh minus f, oh sorry, df minus h, I'm so sorry. So df minus h, it will tell you all the mounts that you have along with the usage for each and every mount, which is great, but you may need to do a bit more. And you can do a bit more if you of course look at the directory size, not just one directory but all the directories. So if you do something like du hyphen sh, and let us say if I run this on run this command on my home directory, it will give me a number like 8.1 GB. So basically my home directory is right now consuming 8.1 GB, but I'm sure there are a lot of files that I can delete. So what if I want to do something else? Maybe I want to know uh, within my home directory all the subdirectories and uh, their individual usage. So I can do star, and now you have a bit more detail. This is of course definitely interesting. I can see here that I have like a video which is right now 70 MB, and not really a lot, but still good to know. And there are some files, images, not very huge. One more video, 98 MB, and I do have something within my projects like 2.5, 2.6 GB, and I believe I have downloads, which is consuming quite a lot, 582 MB, and I have one more download folder which is consuming 827 MB. So you can actually get a lot more information if you look at this output, but there is also a way to sort this information. If you pipe your output to another utility called sort, and if you pass two more arguments like r and n, you can get this information, same information but sorted by size. So if you look at this output, I can immediately focus on my downloads subdirectory within my home directory, and I have two downloads subdirectories, which is a bit weird. So I maybe need to I may need to maybe copy this and send it to someone. If let us say I'm a Linux administrator, or maybe I can focus on these two, or maybe the top three or top four items in the list. So if you want to do this, you can also do it, and now you know how to do it. So I just thought I'll record myself while I am doing some cleanup on my computer. And that is all I wanted to cover and share in this video. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and you also learned something new today. Thank you very much.